to suggest and strongly encourage you that when you do these problems, you show every single step that you're doing. First of all, because it's easier, it's very hard to add like this, I'm going to ask that you change your problems to go up and down. So you're going to put the 37 on the top. The first number goes on the top. You're going to put your addition sign here. And then you take the 28 and you line it up right underneath this number. They both have two numbers. This is where your graph paper is going to come in extremely handy. You put one number in one box, the other number in the other box, and you line up them underneath. For this lesson, you're going to always have 2 digits. So you put the 37 up there and the 28 down there. Now I add. It's really all that's all it is. So can somebody tell me, I started this column first. Okay, now that we know how to put that up, let's do this so that we can see it. Okay, we're going to change it to this. Now we're going to add, but we have to add them in columns. Okay, this is still the same problem, but if you notice, I kind of changed them a little differently so that you can see how I have to add them. I always start on the right-hand side, and I add that first, this number and this number together. So you see how I have my green numbers here? My 2 green numbers are the 2 numbers that I'm going to add together. So can somebody tell me what 7 plus 8 is? That is not 14. Close. It's a doubles plus 1 fact. Doubles plus 1. Mathematics. 15. Okay. So I am going to put the 5 down. Okay. 7 plus 8 equals 15. But because I can't put the 1 there, because it's a 2-digit number, I have to take the 1, I put the 5 down, take the 1, and I bring it up. Okay, now are you remembering? So now I have to add the 2 red numbers. So what is 3 plus 2? That is close. 3 plus 2 is 5, but I also have 1 up here left over, so I have to add that. So what is 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is what, Bella? 6. And I bring that down here. Do you remember? Is it ringing a bell now? Yay! All right. Let's try another problem. Our problem is going to be 43 plus 43 plus 27. Again, the way that I did this was so that you could see you add the green numbers first, then the red numbers. So somebody tell me what is 3 plus 7? Owen, what is 3 plus 7? 3 plus 7 is 10, Owen. 3 plus 7 is 10. So Owen, how am I going to write this down here? Put the 1 up here. And then what do I do? Right, you're just missing 1 step. Use the 1, what do I do with the 0? Where am I going to put it on the top? This is my problem. So what do I put here? Not the 1, I have to put the 0. Put the 0 here and carry the 1. See how I did that? Okay. Now I have 4 plus 2, which is what? Maddie? Okay, and I have 6 plus 1. Don't forget the 1 up there, Jordan. given, which is 7. My answer is 70. That makes sense? Are you feeling a little confident? Yeah. Okay. Then all right, your first practice problem, and I'm not going to use different colors this time. Your first practice problem is 21 plus 32. You're going to need to write it up and down and then solve your problem. All right. I will transfer my problem up and down, lining them up right. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Let me see your board. Hold them up. Nice job. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's try another problem. Problem number 2 is 14 plus 65. Go ahead and set it up correctly, or set it up and down, and then solve for your problem. Set it up this way. 74 plus 16. I'm going to start in this first column here. 4 plus 6 is 10. I put the 0 down from the 10. I carry the 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9. All right, let's keep moving. Let's do problem 4. Your problem, ladies and gentlemen, is 42 plus 29. All right. Again, I'm going to cut it up. 42 plus 29. I will start in the far right column. 2 plus 9 is 11. I put 1 down. I carry the 1. 4 plus 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. All right, let's do one more. Your problem is 62 plus 83. This one, ladies and gentlemen, was a little trickier. Okay, I want you to look up here. Everybody put your boards down and look up here at me. Leave your problems on your board so you can see where you went wrong. Okay, 62, I put that at the top. I'm adding 83 to that. So I put that right underneath. Just like normal, I start on the far right column right here. 2 plus 3 is 5. We're fine with that, right? Now, 6 plus 8. What is 6 plus 8? Eva? 14. Okay? I put the 4 down and I carry the 1 to the next column. There's nothing in this column, so I just bring that right down to 14. Just like that. Does that make sense? Fabulous. Let's do another problem, guys. You guys are really doing fantastic. I'm very proud of you. You're really working hard. Keep it up, guys. Keep it up. 37 plus 35. Let's work that one out. Jump right here. I am going to put it back into this order here. It's easier for me to see. 37 plus 35. I'm going to start in which column? Farthest to the right. So 7 plus 5 equals what, Bella? 12. I put the 2 down here. I carry the 1. What is 3 plus 3, Lacey? 6 plus 1, Lacey? 7. My answer is 72. All 72 plus 43. I am going to put my problem in order again. 72 plus 43. I'm going to take my time to make sure that those numbers line up just right so that they don't get too sloppy. I'm going to start on the far right side. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 7 plus 4 equals 11. So I will put the 1 down and I will carry the 1, but since there's nothing there, I'll just bring it straight down. The answer is 115. All right, ladies and gentlemen.